Hi, welcome to Glady Fix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'm sharing with you on how to change Gemgala game background. Or if you want to change the scheme of your game, this video is still for you. Now, the first thing you have to do is to open your Gemgala app. Make sure you have the updated version. If you don't, you can go to your Play Store and App Store and update it. The next thing you have to do is to click on the settings icon at the top right corner. So from here you're going to see skin option. Just click on it. From here you're going to see different skin, different background that we have here. All you have to do is to select the particular one. Just click on it, then click on switch. It will automatically switch to that particular background that you want your green to have. So guys, that is it on how to change your Gemgala game background. If this video is helpful, do also follow Glady Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.